want a stress-free Christmas day? Well, let's see if ChatGPT can help us. This year I am hosting Christmas with my family, so I'm going to be just working through it and seeing how ChatGPT can help us along. So, just got a basic prompt, create a plan for Christmas Day, which I am hosting. We'll let Chat do its work here. Let's see, Christmas Day plan. So for the morning, 6:30 wake up, sounds about right. Christmas breakfast, stocking small gifts with the kids, brekkie, prep time, finalise house setup, guest arrival, Christmas games and socialising, afternoon lunch, serve a buffet style meal, activities. Okay, so we can, that's that's not a bad plan, just straight away. I don't mind this part I'm not fussed with due to the fact that it's just my family, but I will have 6 adult guests, and how many kids are there? There's going to be 6 kids, 8 including my own. So let's just give it our guests, and I saw here serve buffet style meal dish with the dishes. I'm going to be doing a smoked brisket, I do believe, possibly pulled pork, so I'll be up very early that morning to make sure everything's working as it should be. Family for, okay, that's just working off that, I was just giving that information. For food, I will be serving smoked brisket and pulled pork. What are some serving suggestions? So here we can use ChatGPT to help us with the food ideas. So that's my main proteins that I'm serving. Let's see if Chat can help me come up with some what are some serving suggestions? Oh, I was meant to say sides. Yes, I knew I stuffed that up as soon as I saw it. Hopefully it covers here. I will just stop it. Sorry, I was meaning side dishes. Quick little fix-up. Barbecue sides, coleslaw, beans, mac and cheese, cornbread, potato salad. So I would definitely be doing the coleslaw. I personally love potato salad. My wife knows it's one of my favourite things. Whenever she makes it, she always makes extra so we can fill the fridge with it. So there we go. I'm not going to go through everything because I've obviously got this chat saved in a history I can go through. I'm honestly going to use this myself for the day. Next, I would like to expand on the afternoon activities. We want something the adults and kids can enjoy. Now, this might be a bit long and boring, but hopefully you can just watch along and enjoy it, get some ideas of your own, see how I kind of prompt Chat. Indoor backup activities, oh, here we go. Backyard cricket, we always play a bit of backyard cricket. Cornhole, treasure hunt, that's not a bad idea actually. I've never done a treasure hunt. Easter egg hunt. But a treasure hunt could be quite fun. Obstacles, water balloon toss. Indoor bingo, charades, karaoke, board game corner, charades. Charades? Could be trivia. Oh, trivia. Trivia. So, can you please come up, how many questions do you need for that many people? With, let's say, 50 Christmas trivia questions. Make them varying levels of difficulty, including some simple ones for the kids. So while that's doing that, we've got a pretty good outlay here as it is. I'm not personally looking at the desserts because it's the guests that are bringing the desserts, so I don't even know what they're bringing, but I'm focusing on the main meal. So we've got our sides sorted, our activities, a great idea, list of ideas. I actually really love Treasure Hunt. I don't know why I've never heard of that. And now, trivia, let's say easy for the kids. So with something like this, I'd probably just print these off and literally cut them up and just have a quizmaster that's asking the questions. Eggnog. So where are we? Easy. What color is Santa's suit? What popular Christmas drink is known as milk punch? In what ocean is Christmas Island located? What is the best-selling Christmas song of all time? What year was Home Alone released? Okay, there we go. So we've got 50 questions there. So I think I'm going to leave it there. We've covered creating the plan, the food, activities, and creating a quiz list, which, hey, what else do you need? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I also wish everyone a Merry Christmas. I hope you all enjoy, and yes, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit that like and subscribe if you don't mind. We're slowly growing this channel, and I definitely appreciate all the love you guys show. Thanks again. Have a good one.